Remove and drain the water tank, and then remove and discard the used water filter.
And after that, just don't install it again. That requires an explanation. Let me explain why. The filter simply doesn't work as intended. The contact time is way too short, so Limescale still builds up in your machine. In the end, it gives you a false sense of protection while your Oracle continues to suffer from scale problems.
You'll be good to go. A little tip for you as well. I personally find it really helpful to change my filters over when I descale my machine, because I need to take the filter out when I descale anyway, and it kind of helps to do them both at the same time. But for the purposes of this, I'm just going to be changing my filter today.
Wait, what did she just say? So even though she's using filters in the espresso machine, you still have to descale it? Yes, I heard it also. Sage tells you this filter protects your machine from Limescale, but I've never needed a filter to make my coffee taste right. In reality, water only touches the resin for a couple of seconds, way too short to work. There simply isn't enough active material inside to make a real difference. If you want something you know works every time, I have listed a solution for you, from the small budget to the higher budget. A Brita water jug is available for about €24 in the EU or around $32 in the US. It removes Limescale much faster, and paired with an Oscar filter bag, you'll really tackle the mineral buildup, especially if you keep the jug topped up with fresh water. An Oscar softening pouch costs about €10 to €14 across the EU or around $15 to $18 in the US. Use it together with a Brita jug, and you'll be truly fighting Limescale, especially if you always keep the jug filled with fresh water. The last, most expensive, but also the best solution is a BWT filtration system. With a much larger filter capacity, it removes Limescale far more effectively and provides full protection for your machine. You can even add an Aquameter, which keeps track of when the filter needs to be replaced, giving you full control over the Limescale situation. With this solution, you'll have zero Limescale in your water. In the EU, the full setup, including filter cartridge, best head flex, and Aquameter, runs at approximately €320. In the US, the same package is available for about $395. With this, you have zero Limescale, and the Aquameter keeps you fully in control of filter replacement.